Okay, it's time to put the lock in. You'll notice some cloth here has been pushed out. That's because the actuator, I don't know what else to call it, was much too long. And I had to cut it, trim it, and make sure that the edges were softened. I don't know if you can see it or not. So it would go in. But lock mechanism is made up of two things. Here they are. Brass, and then the screw itself. By the way, Gracie ran beautiful today. Timed, rebuilt the distributor, pulled the plugs and checked the spacing at 035, rewired the console, new coil, and new ignition cable. Now I will put these in and then come back online. Now notice that slit there. Slit. Slide her in. Put your key upright. Upright. Can't find it. Okay. Screwdriver. Wow, I'm having a hard time here. Let's just see what I need. Goes in that slit. Nice and tight, not too tight. Now let's check her out. Opens up. Locks. Unlocks.